5 things you have to take care of before entering 2023, and let's talk about it what they are. Number 1, company. The people whom you keep surrounding with yourself, if they do not support you, uplift you, challenge you and push you to go for an extra mile, and if they do not give you a genuine reason for your improvement, and those are the ones who do not have a similar values, vision, spirit or the burning desire like you have, and they are always making excuse. They are blaming to the situation, circumstances or the people and not improving and growing by themselves, and they never talk about something which is very productive, for example like business, finance, career, money, professional growth, personal development, innovation and technology. Then you have to leave them right away, because the more you stay with them, you are also going to be like those peoples. Number 2, saying yes. Don't be available and accessible to everyone for any time. If you are and doing, that means you do not value yourself and your time. Either you cannot expect from other people around you who can respect you, understand you and value you, because not having a crystal clarity about the direction or the destination which leads you in a way where you say yes rather than you need to say no, and end up you are going to become the part and engage with the conversation, evolve with the conversation which is very meaningless and mindless to you. You have to be aware about it. Number 3, priorities. You have to set the priorities day before for the next day, and you have to commit to yourself whatever priorities you are setting up for yourself, because having said that, setting up priorities will help you to become more disciplined towards your work, growth and progress. Sometimes not having and setting up priorities causing you end up doing nothing and make your work, task messy and more harder and sophisticated for you. So make sure that you are setting up priorities for each day, each task. Number 4, eliminate distraction. All those are the time consumption activities where you are wasting so much of your time, which takes away your focus, affects your brain, psychology, distract you, draining your energy, demotivate you, gossiping, negative people, toxic surrounding, too much socialism. And you have to find and figure it out what are the tasks and work which you can delegate to others, so that you can buy more time for yourself, for your task and work. You have to do this and implement and work upon it. By doing this exercise and implementation, you will come to know about and you become more productive, and you can improve your focus as well. Now I want you to do this exercise with me. You have to just take it out a pen or a paper and list down all those are the activities which is very time consumption for you, where you can reduce your time and implement it. After doing this exercise and reflect it back, you will come to know about there are so many activities and you are wasting so much of time for the useless and meaningless activities. Just do it. 5th and the last one, which is very important in order to implement and execute all those are the 4 pointers which I have mentioned you earlier in this video, and that is you must have an accountability partner in order to keep your track, progress and improvement, measurement, how you are doing, how you are not doing, what's need to be done or not, are you committed to the priorities or not. All these things has been taken care of an accountability partner, where you need to improvement or not, because accountability partner is a person who keeps his eyeballs on you to help you to reach your goals, to reach your destiny, to achieve all your goals and tasks and the target in setting up or giving up a deadline which you have set it for yourself. If you have not an accountability partner, then find the right one person who have a similar values and vision like you, so that you are not lacking somewhere else in order to achieve your goals and reach your destination. I hope this video will help you.